Happy Thursday, everyone. Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We are less than a month away from the autumnal equinox, or the first day of fall, if you can believe that. So summer is fading fairly fast. And, of course, now that we head into the fall months, or at least getting closer to fall, we typically see the hurricane season kind of uptick a little bit here. And we're tracking Hurricane Lane in the Central Pacific, and that will have big impacts on Hawaii. We'll track some wildfires, severe weather concerns, and heavy rain. But how about this picture from the International Space Station of Hurricane Lane in the Central Pacific? Yesterday was a Category 5 storm with 160-mile-per-hour winds. So not only were astronauts tracking Lane from outer space, but then hurricane hunters flying into the center of Lane. This is actually the eye, and you can see the clearing in there, but a neat picture nonetheless. And the eye is actually fading quite fast here. There is the satellite view from early this morning. Still a Category 4, though, with those winds up around 140 miles per hour. The track does take it on the west side of the Big Island, but that front right quadrant is always the worst. So that is going to be piling up the waves, strong surf, very gusty winds, and also a lot of heavy rain. So hurricane warnings in place for all the islands in red, but Kauai is actually under hurricane watch. Flash flood watches have been posted here. We could see upwards of 20 inches of rain on the Big Island. So again, very significant quantities of rain and big impacts associated with that. Very quiet in the Atlantic Basin for now. We do have some red flag warnings and some air quality concerns in the northwest. The smoke continues at very poor levels there. Temperatures will be into the 70s and 80s with a few 90s. Monsoon moisture continues with thunderstorms in the forecast in Phoenix through Saturday into Sunday. Again, pockets of heavy rain there. But for today, we'll have a slight risk of severe weather in the Midwest, and heavy rain could be possible over the next few days in the Midwest. We'll keep you up to date.